Problem 7. It says a class has twice as many boys as girls. Students in the class stand in one line with a girl at the front of the line. Which of the following must be true? Okay, so there's twice as many guys as girls. The last person in line is a girl. We don't know how many total. It could be 1,000 people here. The last person in line is a girl. It just says the first one's a girl. So you could have like a girl first in line. Here's the first spot. And then next could be all girls and then a bunch of boys. So that's not right. The last person does not have to be a girl. The last person in line has to be a boy. No, we could have lined up all boys next and then the girls at the final bit. So that doesn't work either. So neither one of those makes sense. There are more girls than boys in the class. It just told us there's twice as many boys as girls. So no, C is crazy choice. So we're down to D or E. There are at least 2 girls standing next to each other. Well, there could be, but let's imagine there's many more boys than girls. So that sort of worries me. There are at least 2 girls standing next to each other. Well, if we come down here again and let's just imagine first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Let's pretend that there's 4 boys and 2 girls. We know the first is a girl. There are at least 2 girls standing next to each other. Well, no, because I could have then boy, boy, boy. Remember, there's 4 boys, 2 girls. It could be like that. I could even flip these two, so it doesn't even have to be a girl at the end of the line. It could be the boy. Looks like it's going to be E, and E is going to be right because it says there are at least 2 boys standing next to each other. There's going to have to be, since there's twice as many boys as girls. Imagine if we had just 1 girl and 2 boys. Well, the first, it tells us has to be a girl because it says the girl's at the front of the line. There's only 2 left. So guess what? You're going to have a boy and a boy. At some point, there's not enough girls to break all the boys up because you can't go girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy because there's twice as many boys. So it is going to be choice E. Wasn't too hard. You just had to go through your choices and see that none of A, B, C, or D, none of those would quite work. So, and then E makes most common sense. Problem 7.